Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Radhika TechHub. In this tutorial, we are going to design the view. In the last video, I already explained what is the Redux and what is the store action reducer. So we are going to create a small application, right? I already shown how the application we are going to design. For that, now in this video, we are going to design a table and form, and in the next video we are going to set up our store actions reducers. So let's start our designing. So for that I am creating the folder of components, and in the component I am going to design the table. First, table page. And we required one form for adding purpose. For these two components we will call in one component, such a called home. So first we are going to design our table. And normally we all know that table designing. So in this T head, as of now we will pass these headers from our home page itself. As of now I am setting with a static fields. Actions, and after the T header we'll going to use the T body, which contains the body part. So now we call this table in our home.jsx component. And this home will call here. Now we'll check the component how it is displaying in the browser. So you can see here the output how it is displaying. So in the above table we required one form. So for that we are going to design our form. First of all, input field. So we require what name, email and phone number. We are taking of 3. So this is the text, and the placeholder will place as a name. Value will give whenever we are doing the performance action dispatches. When we are going to do that, we'll give the value. As of now, I'm not giving any value for this field. So I required this field flex in the form of flex formation, not by column. In a one row I required. So here I am styling as display flexor, and I require the gap of 10 pixel. Here we will pass so now we'll call this form in our home.jsx component. So now we'll check our output how it is. So you can see here name, email, phone number, and the action we want to do an updation or post purpose. We're going to use this form, and here now we'll pass these headers from the home page. Here I'm going to give what is the header first, name, and one more is email, and one more is phone number which we are giving, and more actions. So in these actions we are going to place two buttons. One is the edit and one is the delete. Now here we are passing here. Now we are going to use this. Here I am going to map the key headers. So here is the item. Here we are placing the index and make all this comment, and now we'll check. Oh, it's not coming. We'll check why it is not coming. So here when we are going to take the curly flower braces means we have to make it as a written. If you don't want to make that a written keyword, so directly you can use this open braces. Now you can see here name, email, phone number and actions. So what I did in actions, we are going to place the two buttons. Now button edit, and one more button we are going to use delete. So you can see here, this is the how, and I want to make this somewhat gap in between two buttons. We'll see how it will be changed. Yeah, you can see the gap here. And I want to apply the background color. So for edit, we are going to take the blue color. I am going to give the padding of 4 pixel. And here we will make as a text align center. So now here you can see, we'll take padding of 6 also. Let's make look good now. Now I'm going to apply here back border radius. The same styles we are going to apply for delete button itself. The color should be in red. Yeah, you can see here. So whatever we are going to apply the colors as of CSS, we are not concentrating here mostly. So you can design more beautiful also. So I'm concentrating mainly on the part which we are going to operating the functionalities on these, how the delete, how the edit and posting all will be, how we will do the functionality we are going to see in the next video. As of now, this is the how we designed our page. So the data which is coming from here in the table, as we will store in one variable, and when we are going to retrieve based on id by operating of deletion and updation, we are taking a by id and will be stored in one variable, and based on that variable we are going to edit and update in the component, and automatically it will be updated in the table which when it is displaying. So this is how we are going to do the functionalities in upcoming videos. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon, it will give the notifications.